guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally going to do the unboxing of the Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box. So if you guys want to see what I got, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I have done the hardest thing you could possibly do. I have not watched any reviews on the unboxing because I don't want to know what I'm getting in here. I really want to be surprised. I bought the biggest box, which is the deluxe box, which does cost for $70. It's supposed to have a retail value of over $175 in here, so we're going to see if it really does have that retail value. Like I said, I've not seen any spoilers on this. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Purchasing this box was actually rather easy. I was here, went on my computer, immediately put it in my cart, checked out. I got in and out within like a few minutes. Didn't have any hassle, didn't have any wait. I was actually rather surprised. And then I went on Twitter and I saw this was sold out in minutes. And I was like, ooh, thank God I got my hands on it. So let's dive on in. So I know that people were getting their products on Monday. I was kind of hoping that my product would be here on Monday as well. I don't know, it's because I live in Florida, it took a little longer. But when it created the shipping label on July 19th, but it didn't actually get shipped out until Monday. When a lot of people got theirs on Monday, so it is what it is. It's a 2-day priority mail. It was just a one price only for shipping, so I didn't have a choice on what I got, but whatever. Whatever, it's here. That's what I care about. It's a pretty big package. Ooh, we have quite a few goodies in here. So the first thing I see is the Jeffree Star reusable straw and cleaning brush. I don't know why it says cleaning brush, but this is a straw. Be iconic and classy with this Jeffree Star approved strawberry metal straw. Alright, so I really do like metal straws. I actually use metal straws in almost everything that I drink. I use it in my Red Bulls that I drink all the time, my Starbucks that I drink all the time. So let's go ahead and look up the prices on these. Hopefully, I don't know if they're in stock, so hopefully I'll be able to see. So I guess you can't buy these individually, but for a pack of 4, it does retail for $19.99. So what, that makes it $5 a straw pretty much. So let's just put this at $5. The next thing is a pop socket. So you only get these when they are in the mystery box. I got a red one for the Valentine's one, and now I'm getting, I guess, an orange one in here. These are super cute. I don't think that they have these on the website, so I don't really know what the price point of these would be. Let's check. All right, so I'm not seeing this at all. Maybe it could be exclusive just to the mystery boxes. I don't think you can buy these in the actual box itself. So unfortunately, I don't know the price point of this. I'm assuming maybe be like $10 just because that's how much any standard pop socket costs. At least for me it did. So I'm assuming we'll just go for that type of price point. The next item is a Supreme Frost in the color Money Honey. Oh, I don't know if this would be my color. Might be a little bit too golden for me, but we'll see what this price is. So this retails for $32. It looks like it'd be a really deep golden, but let's open it from the bottom just to see. Oh, okay, that is interesting. This is a gold of some sort. Honestly, so this is a gold, but it does have a lot of green shift to it. I'm not entirely sure I would wear this as a highlight. I might do it as a lid topper. Let me see if I can get an up close right here. So that is the color Money Honey. All right, so that's Money Honey. That's actually a really pretty color. I would never wear this as a highlighter. No, I would wear this, like I said, as an eyeshadow because I feel like it's a little bit too golden for me to wear. All right, the next thing that I got was a Velour liquid lip in the color Poinsettia. And this is a velvet liqueur, and this does retail for $18. This does look like, according to the picture, that it is a deep metallic red. I do love reds, but this is from their 2017 holiday collection. This is a full metallic red, perfect for the holidays, but it's from their 2017 collection. We're on 2019. Well, look at it from the bottom. Ooh, yeah, no, she's sparkly. She is sparkly. Oh, they came up with a really big clump. Do you guys see that? That's a really big clump on here. What if I stick it back in? That's actually really not a bad color. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. Not bad. That's from their 2017 collection. Thanks. All right, the next color is another Velour Liquid Lip, and this is in the color Celebrity Skin. Oh my God, okay, I've actually been wanting Celebrity Skin for quite some time. Like seriously, every single time I go to the Morphe store, I go to pick this up and it's never, ever in stock. Like ever. So I'm assuming it's gonna be the same price, $18. And I'm gonna have pictures of everything like linked up right here so you guys can see what the product is. Oh my God, I really wanted Celebrity Skin. I've been wanting Celebrity Skin for so long. This is like a beautiful, beautiful nude. Now, don't come for me to say this, but I know that Jaclyn Hill had always talked about Celebrity Skin and how she uses it a lot for her like lips. And though she's a part of a lot of scandal, I'm saying out of that, I still love her like lips that she does. Like she does really gorgeous lips, and this is a color that she always bragged about. So I've always wanted to get like this beautiful, beautiful nudie color that is so stunning. And then if you put the color Diamond Juice right on top of it, like for real, the combination that you can create of this. Oh, I'm so excited I got Celebrity Skin. That makes me so excited. Okay. Now I'm getting a little bit more excited about this box. All right, getting a little bit more excited, because at first it's kind of like, ooh. The next thing I see is a Velour Lip Liner in the color Doll Parts. So that is a retail price, $16. Cute, so cute. And let's take a swatch. All right, I mean, she's kind of on the pink side. Ooh, okay. All right, well, it's okay because I can use this as an eyeliner, and maybe if I use it as a lip liner, I think I'll just mix it with these two and try to like make the combination work. But that's not a bad price, $16. All right, the next thing is a Velour Liquid Lipid again in the color Diva. This looks like a really, really hot pink. I do not wear hot pinks at all, but I do think it's really sweet because this is in honor of his little pupperoo that unfortunately passed away. So this is a really pretty color. I mean, on the website it actually looks really gorgeous, so we'll like actually take a look at it. This again retails for $18, and I bet you could mix this with Doll Parts, make it a little pretty. Ooh, that is really, really, really pink. Super pink, but it has a nice little duochrome shift to it. Let me see if I can swatch this. Ooh, yeah, she is she's pink. She's pink, all right. Oh, you guys see that though? See that separation? Why is it separated? Ew. Oh God, look at this. So you guys see the separation? Do you guys like see how the product is like separated? It has a weird chemical smell to it. Guys, I need to show you guys. I don't know how well it's gonna come up on camera. Do you guys see that? That is like a whole chunk of lip gloss in there. Like it is a chunk. Let me see if I can swirl it around. I don't know, that's a little weird that it's like separated like that, and then like, I don't know. That's a little weird. I don't know if you guys can see. It just looks kind of chunky. You guys see that? Looks a little chunky inside. Little chunker. Okay. I don't like that separation. I don't like that it looks like that. All right. Okay. All right, so the next thing we got is, ooh, this is the question mark. So this, I'm assuming retails for $18. This is an exclusive to this box and the premium box only. This is supposed to be for everyday use. Okay, that's a really soft pink. Okay, so you see how the liquid goes all the way around and not in that other one. But this is the color question mark, and I'll put it right here. This is supposed to be like versatile for everybody. And it's this little top guy right there. That's pretty. It's like a soft pinky color. I guess you can, I would not wear this one probably by itself or probably mix it in another topper, but it is really pretty. It's I got a lot of like reds and pinks. Interesting. All right, so the next item is a Velour liquid scrub in the rainbow sorbet. Okay, that actually smells really good. That smells delicious. And this is the rainbow, this is the scrub right here. I actually have his scrub. The first one I ever tried was actually the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub in the flavor pumpkin pie. Smells really, really good. I believe this retails for, yeah, these retail for a total of $12. I was kind of hoping to get kind of like the newer edition, at least anything from like his Blue Bloods line, but I didn't. And then the last thing is a shirt in the size small. Let's see what we got. So nice little shirt right here, and on the back it says, "Hi, how are ya?" What is this? It's already like has like string coming off of it. The hell? Cool. I mean, I could just cut that away, but that's kind of disappointing that is already messing up there. Okay, so I'm not able to find this t-shirt on the website, but I'm finding a lot of other t-shirts on there, and they cost about $25. So I want to make sure I have my math right, because so far I'm at $140 retail value when it's supposed to retail over $175. So the shirt is, let's try this again. So the shirt is $25 for Velvet Liquid Lips, and they're $18 a piece. Have a Supreme Frost, which retails a total of $32. Then we have a lip liner, which is retail of $16. The lip scrub, which is retail of $12. The straw, which will guess to me about what, $5? We'll say it's like $10. So it's still all together, I guess that puts us at $172, close to the $175 value. But let's dive into this box. So I'm kind of disappointed with everything that I got. Now, before you guys come for me in the comments, like, don't get me wrong, I love Jeffree Star more than anything. I would support him always. Like, he's an amazing, amazing business owner, CEO, and very creative, and just he's so entertaining to watch. So I do love him, but that is beside the point. I spent $70 to get products that I had no idea what I was getting, and yes, you pay for what you get. It's a surprise. I'm not mad that I spent the money, but I'm just kind of like, I guess, disappointed in my box. Like, I was kind of hoping maybe to get stuff from like the Blue Blood collection, maybe in the Blood Sugar collection, maybe even the Alien collections. Kind of hoping to get somewhere on those ranges, and I didn't. The Rainbow Sorbet, like, this came out last year during the summer with his Thirsty palette release, which I actually don't mind that I got this. It smells really, really, really good. It really smells like Tutti Frutti candy. I actually really am glad that I got this. I'm really kind of disappointed in the color Poinsettia. This is a metallic red. I do not wear metallic colors. It's just not for me. This is also from the 2017 collection. So this obviously has been out for over 2 years, or almost 2 years by the time holiday rolls around. So I'm not gonna sit here and say it's expired or anything. Like, I would not believe that he sells expired makeup by any means, but I don't know, like, it says shake well before use, but it's a metallic red. I don't know if I'll get much use for it. Yes, am I wearing red right now? I love red, it's a beautiful color, but this is a metallic red. So I'm like, oh, metallic, I don't know. I am really happy with the little color right here. This is really soft pink, definitely dry down to a beautiful, beautiful color. It's gonna look great again with a gloss on top of it. The color Diva, this one I'm kind of having really weird issues with. So right here, it is a beautiful pink with a lot of gold shifts in the color. I could definitely make a beautiful look out of this lip color, as well as like an eyeshadow color. My only issue with it is the separation that's in here. I know it says shake well before use, but I don't know how you guys can explain that. Like, it's separated itself, and I've already shucking it up, and it's so hard to tell on camera, but like when you actually like look in here, like, it does not have a good smell to it at all. It has a really bad chemical smell to it. And like when I'm pushing the products around in here, trying to mix it up, like, you can feel the chunkiness, a little bit of the hardness. I don't know what that's about. I'm not gonna come for him. I'm not coming for him for this. I'm just not. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. And I don't know if I wanna wear this on my lips, because it's kind of gross that it's separated. And ugh, I probably will reach out to customer service and be like, hey, maybe not the best lipstick right here. But that's just my opinion on that one. The color Celebrity Skin, oh my god, I'm so excited that I got Celebrity Skin. This is something I've always freaking wanted, so I'm really happy that I got this in the box. The lip liner, is it the best color? No, for the color doll parts, but I definitely could probably mix these together, make them look like really, really pretty. As for the metal straw, like I definitely want to try out a straw, so I'm happy I got that. Pop socket, don't really care about. The t-shirt, I'm kind of disappointed in the t-shirt. Like it's cool, and I'm definitely gonna wear this as like I could sleep in, but like, what is that? They couldn't have seen this when they were packing this shirt away. They couldn't have seen that this was like not the best quality. Personally, I feel like they should do quality control on that. And then we have the Supreme Frosted here in the color Money Honey Gold with a lot of green shift to it. And I don't know if I'd ever wear this as a highlighter. I could definitely use this as an eyeshadow for sure, but I feel like it's just a little bit too deep for me to wear as a highlighter. Pretty, it's really pretty. I just don't think I'd ever wear this as a highlighter. So that is it for this box, guys. I am actually really disappointed in this box. I really, really wanted to really love everything in here, and I didn't. And you know what? I paid 70 bucks. Like I knew I was getting myself into. It's a mystery box, so like you don't know what you're gonna get. I'm just a little weary about the color Diva right here. It looks a little funny, smells a little funny, and just has weird chunkiness in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. And then the Poinciana being from 2017, like I'm sure that's not expired, but like why give me something that old? Why not give me something at least from like last year, or like the Alien collection, or the freaking Blue Bloods, or Blood Sugar collection? Give me something from there. Maybe not go for such products that haven't been selling in a long time, for my personal opinion. So I'm really sorry if this video bothers anybody. I'm just being very truthful and honest. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I post 2 videos, sometimes 3 a week. Also, don't forget to head over to my other channel, Our Florida Life, where you guys get to see my daily vlogs, where I go travel around all things Florida with my wonderful fiance Corey. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave that link down below. And as always, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Hey guys, what's up? Oh. Okay. Hi, bye-byes. Bye-byes. Let's look at Money Hungry. Oh, Money Honey. Money Honey. Poinciana? Poinciana. And the color, this is the color Poinciana. But I'll have everything linked up right here so you guys can see what the picture. Oh my god, does it have that weird ass thing in here? Yeah. For 16. This again retail. Poinciana. Velvet Liqueur Lip, because they came out. I do love the velvet lip. I do love the velvet scrubs, like velvet lip scrubs. Time to get editing.